Guys, nandito tayo sa airport, sa Sanfo Airport. May pari pa. Tayong tambay hat.
Hindi na ako nakabili, oh.
Ito galing to sa kay Bayaw. Yun, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Hindi lahat ng tambay ay walang mararating. Kapag sinabi nilang wala kang mararating, mas lalo mong galingan. Pero hindi para patunayan sa kanila, gawin mo para sa sarili mo at mahal mo sa buhay. From tambay to riches. Tapos ito, bakit kikip ko to? Ito yung Anorax jacket, Sharks. Yun, oh, starter. Chomp. Tawag na dito chomp eh. Chomp jagged edge. Ayan, oh. Itong okay. Sony Cute. Cut tag. Yun, oh. Malas, bumili tayo ng barel. Mga hold up tayo ng bangko. You want to buy this? Or luck? If you put it in your wallet, you play lotto, man, you're gonna win.
Ready, unstoppable dynasty, young over. I'm a hustler, baby. I just want you.
So fast forward from this part, mapapanan nyo paano natin na-score to. Arc'teryx, quick flip, yung pinost ko may nag-offer ka agad. Na-pick natin for 7, na-flip natin for $19, going shot to New York. Ito FC Barcelona Adidas jacket, na-pick natin for lang yan, may trend pa. Na-pick natin for $15, na sold yan for $54. Going to New Jersey. 2 jackets, tsaka 1 vest na sold natin. Isa tong Tommy Jeans, na-pick for 5, na sold natin yan for $23. And ito, 2 Carhartt pieces. Isa yung ano, yan, nasa loob, vest yan, vest. Tapos itong active jacket, parehas na J130 yan. Ni-rate dye ko lang yan. Ang original colorway niyan is brown, was brown. Ngayon ano na siya, yan, purple. Tsaka ito charcoal gray. So bundle piece yan, na sold for 110. So siguro pinuhunan ko rito, siguro mga 70 yata yun. Which is matagal na sa akin to. Going yan sa Texas. So guys, may magpipick up nito dito sa marketplace. Dito pupunta sa amin. Marvel Comics na hindi siya painting eh. Kaya naka-frame siya. Ang laki na ito. Ito na trash take ko lang for 15. There you go, man. That's the one I'm telling you about. This.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but there's no damage here.
Okay, I'll take it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's fully intact now.
Okay.
You said you needed like a 5 for change?
Yeah, please. Why are you selling it? This is so nice.
Well, I had it on the wall for a while,
Yeah.
and then I took it down
Yeah.
because I'm into marbles.
Oh, you are?
I have vintage shirts, marbles.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So it's too big. It's just occupying so much space, you know.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. That's 15 right there. I mean
Okay.
5. All one.
Okay. Thank you so
That's
much,
fine.
man. Okay. Thank you
man.
so much, man.
All right.
Okay. Have a good day.
All right. You too. Ayun na. Ang bayad na siya. So guys, nakakuha tayo ng salvage na Brave Star. Ito $14, tsaka to Arc'teryx. Arc'teryx na t-shirt. This one is $760. Ito, nag-come up tayo rito. Ito pa lang mga $100 and up. Silver tab na cords. Kaya ang late na ito, size 30. 1997. Kung malaki to, pick upin sana natin. Kano ba siya? Hindi ko pa makita yung price. Parang Parang $6. Pero ito pinag-iisipan ko 30. Mahal yung mga ganito eh. Pero ang price dito $28. Tingnan natin kung mag-pay na mag-gamble na naman tayo rito. $30. Bahala na. Kuhain na natin. Patagonia na ano. X. X ang tawag nila rito. X. So, price is $28. Meron tayong Jokoy World Tour. $3.80. Front and back. Meron tayong Harley na long sleeves. With tag pa yan. This one is $11. Meron tayong Sons of Anarchy with sleeve hit. Hoodie. This one is $6. Itong okay. Sony Cute. Cut tag. Yun o. Ito, ano lang to, $6 yata. Faded na ito. Ano price? Sony Cute. Nag-come up tayo rito, Sony Cute. Boom! Ito, sasauli ko na itong mga to. Kukuhain natin 4 pieces. Kaya kapapasok lang natin. So let the hunting begin now. So may nakita tayong kiss. AAA tag. May sleeve hit 10. 2005 na kiss. Ang dami niya lang ano. Pwede na 10. Undefeated na camo long sleeves. Tanongin natin kung magkano to. How much, man?
I'm going to be getting my statement any day now, so I got to check.
Lupe.
Well, I already got charged for this like couple of days. Well, but you know what? This time when I
Hindi ko pa alam yung price.
said
Super.
$50.
Teka. Inko. $5. $5 undefeated. Ayun guys, meron siyang Raiders doon. Layo pa lang, nakita ko na. Nakasabit. Yan natin. Pag nakasabit, medyo pricey yan eh. May polo pa oh. Ito pwede, may mabibili tayo rito. Sir, how much the Raiders there? $70. $70. Post no bill. Ito Ralph Lauren Polo Sport. Polo jeans. Ito ang ganda oh. Baba ko muna para makakuha ko ng ito pa, meron pa siya rito. Ito may hats ah. Green Bay. Logo Athletic na Green Bay. Duck. May Arc'teryx. Redskins. Bye. Your hats sir, how much?
20 and 10.
20 and 10.
Green? Oh, 30.
Vlog ka na? Oh, bossing, kumusta, bossing?
It's a maybe medium size.
Ito, mayroong Redskins, oh. Basta sir, anong pangalan mo?
Ron.
Ron, ako si Ed, bossing. Yan, ko na lang yung camera sa'yo. Baka camera shy ka eh.
Makikita ko rin.
Madali ka na.
Ano lang, balik tagla 5. Ayun, nasa cart. 5 tsaka 10. Kumusta sir? Kumusta po sir?
Pista nung araw niyan eh.
Pang action star nga dating yan eh. And this sir, how much?
That one 150.
Ah, 50?
Yeah.
Okay.
See that the gold
Yeah.
pendant. I wanted 40. I take $10 off for you already.
And ko nakita yun si Kuya, si Ron pala pangalan niya. Dito sa
Has the inside too.
bike yan si Kuya.
I wanted 40, but I take 10 off for you. 30. Okay. You want a bag?
Kasi kung tatanungin mo to isa-isa eh. $10. Siguro ang $10 yan yung Daffy Duck. To Sharks. 44. Harley. Ito 10 and 20. Itong Daffy Duck siguro 10 to. Pero hindi naman siya vintage. Hindi, vintage na to. Made in USA. 10. Arcteryx. Wall na Arcteryx. $20 tong ano sigurado tong Super Bowl na Green Bay. $20 yan. Tanungin natin siya kung meron siyang $5 pile. Ito 70 raw eh. Bablog ako sir. Ah? Ito si dalawa.
1.5.
Kuya. Kuya, dalawa nag-ano rin.
I wanted a little bit more, but I'll do 50.
How much this thing right here?
Lower than this one for me, man.
I'll do $10.
10 ba? Did you say 10 each or which one are the 5 ones on my shirt? I got like I had like 4 shirts there for.
Okay, I'll do this one for 5.
Okay, 5,
This one 10,
10, okay.
and then this one 10,
10, 10, 10, okay.
and then this one. Oh, this one I won 20.
$20.
Yeah, this one. I paid $20 for this.
I know, I got you.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
I
get
paid
that.
$20 for that. I was gonna do 40 for
All
this
right.
one, but I did
And you said this one is
10.
10?
Yeah.
Is it Y2K?
Uh,
No, I don't think it's Y2K, man.
it's wool, so it's like a special collection. It's like
Oh, yeah.
out of 1,000 pieces, you know.
Got you.
It's a good one.
Limited.
Limited, there you go. It's not like too vintage, but just
Same.
limited piece.
You don't want to give it in?
Well, I told you 15, 1.5, huh? Yeah, 1.5 is fine. 15.
Drunk
I
monkey.
wanted like 40 for this one. I'm taking $15 off.
Ang dami niyang vintage shirt eh. Actually, mostly vintage shirts.
It's a good shirt. Yeah, Warriors.
The Warriors or...
Yeah,
Sen.
Warriors. Good one.
Kuha na natin ito Nike. Nike jacket.
Green Hot Wheels.
Ito tong nutmeg o yan.
Ayaw mo na yan.
Niners.
Vlogger ka naman, kaya mo. Pwede mo na.
May kinuha kayo? Yung hat.
Kinukuha ko nga eh. Kinakuha ko na eh.
Eh, kuya eh. Okay, bibigay rin yan kasi maaga pa eh. Balikan nyo. Balikan nyo, sir. Maaga pa kasi. Ganyan mga style niya.
Kaya, ginaganyan ko yung mga...
Balik na na kayo. Ayan. Ito na white tag na ano na popper Nike 15. Tsaka to na isang t-shirt.
Okay.
Sige bro.
Sige sir, salamat. There you go. So just this for now. I'll be back though. You said 5 and 15, right?
Oh, for this one, this one?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah. All right, thank you.
Okay.
All right. You want a bag or you
You gave me a bag. Thank you, sir. Yung mga guys, bumili tayo ng barel. Mga hold up tayo ng bangko. Tripod. $5. Hindi, toy gun lang yan. Toy gun. 5. Ano ito? 5 eh. Yun na.
A lot of money, huh?
No, this is peso. Eh, peso. Peso. No, dólares. Peso.
When you go to Mexico?
This is Philippines,
Yeah.
not Mexico.
That's Philippines?
Yeah, Philippines. The presidente.
No, it's
But we call it peso. Peso.
no, it's Pacquiao.
Yeah, this is worth I think $2
Yeah,
for luck. Yeah.
Pacquiao. You remember Pacquiao?
Yeah, Pacquiao.
Yeah, my brother-in-law.
Bayan lo. You want to buy this for luck? If you put it in your wallet, you play lotto, man, you're gonna win. Wala si Kuya. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
How is this?
Sorry.
3-0? Okay. Thank you, man. Ah, magro-romentado tayo, mga bossing. Magsisindak na naman tayo. Mag tayo ng rifle. 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 3 11 $11. May nakuha naman tayo sa kanya. Mga pang ano, panggulo. Yung jersey ano, Return of the Jedi, si Skywalker. 3 lang yung 3. Ito na lahat, mga loots natin. Meron tayong 8 pieces na tigo $1 na hat. Mga panggulo lang yan. Ihahalo natin yan sa lahat. $1 each. Meron tayong Star Wars na jersey, Return of the Jedi. Ito $3, si Skywalker. Meron tayong Kiss 2005 for $10, AAA tag. Undefeated for $5. Meron tayong gold na Nutmeg Mills, gold tag, made in USA, San Francisco 1994 for $5. So ito white tag. Ito 15 ito, white tag na jacket Nike. Ito yung swoosh niya. Tsaka ito lintik lang, walang gante. Binili natin. Which is toy rifle lang naman yan. Yung mga ginagamit sa mga kadet. For $5. Ito pa pala $2. Fuck. Guys, nandito tayo sa airport. Sa Sanfo Airport. Na may pari pa. So, hinihintay natin si Mama. Darating siya ngayon galing Pinas. Nag-stay siya doon for 1 month. Ganito karami yung ano rito. It's airport. Mga naghahantay. So, ang dating yan, 9:10. Time check is 9:11. So, PAL. Ayun natin kung ano na yung PAL. Ito pala. Natin dito. Nasa gate na. Ayan, 9:10 on time. So meron din tayong mga stuff nang galing sa Pinas. Kanihintay lang natin. Mamaya pe-flex ko mamaya.
She bought a chopper, the app.
Ang daming ano.
Dami ba? Ito yung
Ah.
choke.
Oh, wait, kanina to.
Gusto mo makita?
Okay.
Ang daming mga
Ano kay Bella?
chicherya,
Meron pala palang ano.
pastillas.
Do you want a Jollibee notebook?
Ako meron
Oh my
akong ano,
gosh.
crispy
Tita Joy's
chicken
favorite.
isaw. Ayan o.
Ang dami.
Bagay sa ano, ito. Ito, bubuksan ko yan. May,
Thanks, Mama, sa
tsaka to,
Christmas
tambay, ano, tambay hat.
Guys, this is early Christmas. Wow.
Tambay hat.
gift. It's Dad's fish balls, guys.
May fish balls pa.
And his
Tsaka to,
fish
fish
yum.
ball.
Oo nga.
Ayan.
Wow.
Kikiam.
Andito na yung mga dilatas chips.
Tsaka yung gema.
I'll take a picture later. Then the bell.
Yan, meron tayong Rene na jersey tsaka t-shirt. Meron tayong tambay hat.
Saklat na, hindi na ako nakabili, oh.
Ito galing ko sa kay Bayaw. Yun oh. Ang ganda oh. Hindi lahat ng tambay ay walang mararating. Kapag sinabi nilang wala kang mararating, mas lalo mong galingan. Pero hindi para patunayan sa kanila, gawin mo para sa sarili mo at mahal mo sa buhay. From tambay to riches. may ganun po. Ang galing. Tapos meron silang sticker. Ang ganda pa ng colorway. Oh. Parang Dodgers. Ito naman. Meron tayong meron tayong Penn State collegiate jacket, chalk line. Yan.
A whole stack.
Ganda ng likod, oh. Penn State. Ang ganda. Tapos meron tayong ito sa anak ko to. Japan. Oh, yung jacket. Souvenir jacket. Suka dyan. Let me see the front. Oh, yan. Then, meron tayong si Ronaldo.
You want for the mushroom?
Ronaldo shirt. White tag. White tag na Ronaldo. Ito. Ito for keeps. So ito, mabibenta natin yan. Tapos ito, kikip ko to. Ito yung Anorax jacket. Sharks. You know, starter. Chomp. Tawag na dito chomp eh. Chomp jagged edge. Ayan o. Front and back. So yan galing yan sa ano, sa business partner natin dyan sa Pinas.
She said dried mango. I want one.
So thank you sa'yo, Joe. Ito na yung mga stuff. Nakuha ko na. Thank you sa mga pasalubong. Till next time again. Thank you for watching.